What's up guys, and welcome to the 13th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. In this tutorial, it's still on pointers, but we're now looking at pointer arithmetic. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing you gotta do is go here and type int countdown. You'll see why I'm doing that. And then make this equal, don't forget the square brackets, equal to, use a couple of curly braces, 10 all the way to 1 or maybe 0. Close that off. And now we can just copy this or cut that, put it on top. Now let's go into int main. And now type int star CDP equals countdown, not forgetting the ampersand. With an array, have the do statement, std cout star cdp speech marks, close that off. Probably increment the CDP. It has to increment. And then say while, this is a while statement, the condition will be star CDP probably get rid of that. And say std cout, probably have to blast off or something, like it's a rocket. Okay. Okay, that should be fine. So if I just run through this and read it and what's the code really about. So the first line, this part, we are saying we are instantiating an array of list, or array of ints is what I wanted to say. And then where it says int star here, it's a pointer to an int initialized with address or first element of array, okay? And where it says star CDP here, reference array element through the pointer. Where it says CDP increment, this is an increment pointer to the next array element. So let's execute this and see what we get. Save it. Build succeeded. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 all the way to 1 and then blast off. Let's put a new line in. Just do it from here. We don't need to go the extra mile. Save that, run it. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7 all the way to 1. Blast off. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.